They turned your muscle loss into a trillion-dollar industry. That's not a guess. It's a business model. After 60, you're told to buy more powders, more pills, more memberships, all while your natural strength quietly and steadily slips away. There's a medical name for this condition: sarcopenia. It's the gradual, silent loss of muscle mass and function as we age. Under the microscope, it looks like your muscle fibers are literally shrinking and fading away. But what you're rarely told in the mainstream fitness world is that this decline is not inevitable. Your age is only one small part of the equation. The real driver isn't just a number on your birth certificate. It is entirely about what your cells are being fed at a microscopic level. For decades, we've been told to fear carbohydrates and to focus almost exclusively on highly processed protein. But science is uncovering that these isolated proteins often lack the complex cellular signaling needed after 60. Your body needs a precise matrix of nutrients to unlock the rebuilding phase. And this is where a forgotten group of foods changes everything. I am talking about ancient grains, foods that have sustained human endurance and strength for thousands of years. Unlike modern, genetically altered wheat, these primal seeds contain compounds that directly communicate with your aging muscles. Today, we are going to count down the 5 most powerful ancient grains for reversing sarcopenia and rebuilding your body. Number 5 on our list, amaranth. Once considered sacred by ancient civilizations, it is now a hidden gem in the health food aisle. Its true power doesn't just come from its raw protein content, but from its incredibly unique peptide structures. Amaranth contains specific leucine-like peptides that have been shown in studies to significantly reduce cellular inflammation. This is critical. When cellular inflammation drops, your muscles are finally free to repair themselves instead of constantly fighting a fire. Many seniors mistake this systemic inflammation for the normal aches and pains of getting older. Take Carol, a 68-year-old who swapped her morning toast for amaranth porridge. Within weeks, she noticed her stamina returning. Which brings us to number 4. A grain you probably know, but might be utilizing entirely wrong: quinoa. Quinoa became trendy over a decade ago, but its real magic lies in its profound biochemical profile. It is one of the rare plant foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids in perfect balance. These 9 amino acids are the literal building blocks your muscles desperately crave, but rarely get from other grains. Studies have shown that adding just a modest daily serving of quinoa can independently stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults. In practical terms, that means providing your body with the exact genetic blueprint it needs to build lean mass. It translates to the kind of functional strength that lets you hike trails with friends instead of watching from the parking lot. Coming in at number 3 is a humble grain with a massive impact on your foundational metabolism: sorghum. Sorghum isn't just a carbohydrate, it is a metabolic reset button for an aging system. As we pass 60, insulin resistance often creeps in, making it progressively harder for muscles to absorb vital nutrients. When cells become resistant, they starve. And when they starve, they are forced to break down existing muscle tissue just for energy. Sorghum contains specific tannins and phenolic compounds that help modulate and repair this broken insulin response. If you constantly feel drained despite eating well, your metabolism might be cannibalizing your own strength. By resetting your metabolism, sorghum ensures that the food you eat actually fuels your muscles, restoring your vibrant energy. Number 2 on our list is teff. It's the size of a poppy seed, but it punches far above its weight class. Teff is the ancient staple grain of Ethiopia, a nation famous for producing the world's greatest endurance runners. But for someone over 60, its real value isn't just in running marathons, it's what it does deep inside your cells. Specifically, it transforms your mitochondria, the microscopic power plants that give your muscle cells their energy. Research indicates that a teff-rich diet can actually increase mitochondrial density within your aging muscle cells. More mitochondria mean more cellular energy available on demand. It's literally like upgrading the engine in your car without changing the body. It provides the enduring stamina required to power through your day without needing an afternoon nap. And finally, the number 1 grain for rebuilding muscle after 60, the undisputed champion, wild rice. Technically, it's not even rice. It's a semi-aquatic grass that serves as an absolute powerhouse of dense nutrition. Compared to regular white or brown rice, wild rice has significantly more protein and fewer carbohydrates. Clinical observations have seen wild rice consumption linked to dramatic, measurable improvements in muscle protein synthesis. We are talking about older adults actively regaining lean muscle mass and structural stability. And the best part? They are achieving these results without ever stepping foot inside a traditional gym or lifting heavy weights. Wild rice provides the perfect biologically recognized ratio of protein, complex carbohydrates, and essential minerals. Amaranth, quinoa, sorghum, teff, and wild rice. When you look at them closely, these aren't just foods. They are cellular medicine. They are the chemical instructions your body has been begging for. You do not need to eat all 5 of them every single day to see results. That would be overwhelming. Just start by swapping out your usual processed grains, like white bread or plain pasta, for one of these ancient alternatives. Your strength is not gone forever. It hasn't abandoned you. It is simply waiting for the right fuel to ignite the engine. Start small today. Feed your cells what they actually need, and take your independence back. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe and share this video with someone you care about. I'll see you next time.